How to make a paracord bracelet, a secret river with a diamond stopping knot. So in the next few minutes of this tutorial you will learn how to make this beautiful, elegant, yet very fast and easy to make paracord bracelet. So stay tuned, enjoy and have fun. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use this gold paracord 550 and this black one. The credit for design of this bracelet goes to our friend JD Lenzen over the T.I.A.T altogether, so make sure to check the description box where I will leave the link to JD's YouTube channel where you can find the many other useful projects. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box. So that being said, we're gonna start. First we're gonna take the ends of our gold, pull them together, find the center, then we're gonna do the same with our black and we're gonna proceed. So we're gonna take our gold and then we're gonna take our black and we're gonna place it under the gold cords. Then we're gonna cross it, right side of the black to the left and the left side of the black to the right. Now from here we're gonna take our gold cords and we're gonna wrap it around the blacks and pass it through the loop. And for here we're also gonna pull our gold cords through the black cords loop. So by doing this, as you can see, we created the loop where on the end we're gonna pull our stop knot through it and secure our bracelet. So from here we're gonna start with the cobra knot, so left side of the black on top of the gold cords, right side of the black on top of the left one, around and from the back through the loop on the left. Then we're gonna take our gold, right side gold, and we're gonna pass it, we're gonna take the left side gold and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle between the two gold strands. Now we're gonna cinch our knot and proceed. From here we're gonna create another cobra knot or Solomon weave. So we're gonna take our right side black, pass it or place it on top of the gold cords, then with the left one on top of the right side black, under the gold cords and then through the loop on the right side. And before we lock it, we're gonna take our right side gold and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle between the gold cords and we're gonna cinch it. Once more, the left side black on top of the gold, right side black on top of the left side black, around, under the gold cords and through the loop on the left side. Now we're gonna take the left side gold and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle. So now when we almost reach the desired length of our bracelet, we're gonna do one more knot, and then we're gonna cut off the black paracord, melt it down, and we're gonna finish with our stop knot. So from here we're gonna create the diamond stop knot. So we're gonna take our left strand and we're gonna create a loop. So we're gonna twist it, and this end will go under the strand itself. Now with the right side cord, we're gonna pass it, we're gonna twist it as well. Let me just rearrange it. Okay, and then we're gonna place it under this loop here, like that. Now with the right side cord, we're gonna pass it under this strand here, and then we're gonna enter into the loop here under this cord and to the side. So into the loop, under the cord, and on top of the last one, and to the side. As you can see, we roughly created the pretzel shape. Now I'm gonna just tighten it a bit. And as you can see, we have two strands, left and right one, and left and right working end. Now from here, we're gonna take the left working end and we're gonna pass it under this right side working end. Then we're gonna pass this side or this end close to this strand here and through the middle, like so. Now we're gonna take this strand here and we're gonna pass it close to this end, but through the middle as well. So close to the end of the strand and then through the middle. Now pull it, and we're gonna rearrange a bit this knot. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Enjoy and have fun. Bye!